Okay, the easiest way to create a project and a text file that go together is to start a new project in Visual Studio, New Project. Remember, you want to rename your project. I'm just going to use Sales. You want to say Next. You want to uncheck these and hit Empty Project. This is very important. Hit Finish. Okay, so now to add a source file, you're going to right click on source files and say Add, and this goes off the screen. Hold on, let me move this over so you can see. So we're going to right click on source file, say Add, New Item, and I'm just going to name this Sales again. This is just an example. Now we have our program. If we pull up our Windows Explorer and we go into our documents and we find Visual Studio and we look under Projects and we look under Sales, you can see this is the project file, and there's a folder called Sales, and this is where your CPP lives. This is also where your text file needs to live. So if you're trying to do a project that is from the book, you can create a project and copy the CPP file here, and then your text file here, and then run it that way. You need to probably make sure that you add it into the project. However, this is where your CPP file lives. So you can either use your file system notepad to create a data file and save it in the same exact folder, or you can actually use Visual Studio. You can come to Source Files, right click and say Add, and then say New Item. But here you want to choose Utility and then hit Text File. And right now this one is named text.txt and hit Add. And then when in your text file, you can modify this. For our new program, we have a name and 3 grades. Those aren't really valid grades. Give her at least a B there. And then your other grades, and then so forth. Okay, so when you're done with this file, you just save it. Okay, and then in your Sales PPP file, you can do your include file stream and follow the examples on how to read your file, and you'll notice that the 2 files are in the same place in the project, but more importantly on your computer. Under Projects, you'll notice that they're both here in the same folder, your CPP file or whatever you named it, and the text file that goes along with it with your data. That's how you put your file and your text in the same. When you submit this project, you're going to simply give me the CPP file, because I can rename the file in your code to match my file. So we just need the CPP. Thanks.